close till I get up. Time is barely on us.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing a Pokemon Rowlet lunching action figure, and it has all of the evolutions. So let's get started.
Waste what's left. And on.
So these were the Pokemon I got. I'm hoping if I ever get another one, I'm hoping I either get Pikachu, Eevee, or Rockruff, and then the select collection is they have like Popplio and other ones in there, but I'm hoping if I get that one, I hope I get another like an Eevee again, because Eevee's my favorite Pokemon, and a Pikachu, and yeah, those are the ones that I'm hoping to get. And then on the back, the legendary Pokemon that I want to get are Solgio, Lunala, Lapras, Ash and Pikachu, and Beware. And then on the bottom, they also have battle figures, which is Pikachu, Popplio, Alolan Rattata, Litten Rowlet, Alolan Muck, Matagang, and Wobbuffet. And these are the ones that I got in this pack. It says you can like shoot it, but I don't really know how that works. Oh, there it went. It's over there, so those are the ones that I got. And then this is the back. Rowlet. This one is Datrix. Is the QV. I got this pack on Christmas, and since it was on Christmas, they had it on clearance, and this pack was $9.98, and before it was $19.99.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching the unboxing, and we'll catch you on the next video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is Tito, the best one here. And this is Zeke, my chubby corgi. Parts of Zeke and Tito. Do that. Is it recording?